In today's video, I'm going to teach you GetFormly features you need to know. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for GetFormly. From the search results, look for the official GetFormly website and open it. Once you're on the home page, take a quick moment to get familiar with the layout so you know you're in the right place. From here, look for a button such as Get Started, Sign Up, or anything similar that takes you to the registration page. Click that button to begin creating your account. If you want to try the platform for yourself as you follow along, you can use the affiliate link in the description. That makes it easy to head straight to the correct page without interrupting the tutorial. On the sign up page, enter the required account details, such as your email address and password. Depending on what options are available, you may also see alternative sign up methods, and those can be useful if you prefer a faster registration process. Once you've filled in the necessary information, complete the account creation process and move on to the next step. If Formally asks you to verify your account, open your email inbox and look for the verification message from the platform. Open that email and click the verification button or follow the instructions provided inside it. This step is important because it confirms your account and helps unlock full access. After that, return to the GetFormly website and log in using the credentials you just created. Click the login button or the equivalent option and wait for the dashboard to load. Once you're inside, you'll be taken to the main workspace. Now that you're on the dashboard, briefly look around the main sections and navigation options. This is where a new user should start getting comfortable, because the dashboard is typically where you'll manage forms, review activity, and access the key tools available in the platform. Even if the layout changes slightly over time, the goal here is simply to understand where the important areas are. Next, begin using GetFormly by going to the section where you can create or manage forms. Start with the most basic action a new user would take after signing up, such as opening the form creation area or selecting the option to make a new form. Keep it simple and focus on getting familiar with the first step rather than trying to do everything at once. That's it. You now know how to sign up for GetFormly, verify your account, log in, and access the platform through the website. If you want to try it yourself, remember that you can use the affiliate link in the description.